Hi! We're going to do another alphabet face. And today, or in this video, the letter is D. Because we did A, and we did B, we did C, and now we're going to do D. And this one is pretty unique. We're going to use capital D's. So that's the big D. Big D. Okay, so here we go. Do you have your circle? Do you have your circle? Alright. First thing we're going to do is make a D right. We're going to make an I. But we're going to make that I of the face, we're going to make it out of a D. Okay, so the first thing I did was I made one capital D. One capital D. And you can pause it if you're still working on it. And then I'm going to make another capital D right beside it. Okay. So now I have two. Those kind of look like they're going to be eyes. Like our eyes. Not like the letter I. And then I'm going to do a mouth. Just one line. Okay. So make your mouth like this. And then I think I will add some eyes inside the D. So I'm going to make my eyes kind of right in the middle. One, two. Ooh. So that's the D, the two D's for eyes. And I think I'm going to add some bottom eyelids to this one. So if you want to, you can add some bottom eyelids. And then your face will look like mine. But if you don't want to, you don't have to. Okay, so look at that. It's got bottom eyelids. And maybe you want to add a nose. You can put a nose right there. Or ears. You can add ears. Or even hair. But this is just a face that you can make that has two D's for eyes. Okay.